Welcome to Daytona Beachfront Condo with ocean view, where coastal elegance meets modern comfort. Scan the QR code in the description to secure your seaside haven. Perched along the shimmering Atlantic coastline, this refined retreat captures the essence of beachfront living with effortless sophistication. Imagine waking to the rhythm of waves caressing golden sands, your private balcony framing endless ocean horizons, a daily spectacle reserved exclusively for our discerning guests. Step inside to discover interiors curated for both relaxation and productivity, featuring crisp, air-conditioned spaces softened by natural light. A thoughtfully appointed workspace ensures seamless transitions between leisure and remote work, complemented by high-speed Wi-Fi that keeps you effortlessly connected. Evenings unfold in sublime comfort as ocean breezes drift through your sanctuary, the perfect prelude to nights spent savoring the constellation of city lights along Daytona's vibrant shore. Families are embraced with warmth, little ones aged 3 and under stay free, allowing cherished moments to flourish without constraint. From the moment you arrive at our 3 p.m. check-in until your unhurried 10 a.m. departure, every detail reflects our commitment to gracious hospitality. For those seeking deeper renewal, indulge in spa-like serenity just steps from your suite, where tailored treatments transform ordinary stays into rituals of revitalization. Whether it's the whisper of waves or the convenience of our prime location that calls you, this is where seaside dreams take shape. Let Daytona Beachfront Condo with ocean view be your next escape. Scan the QR code now to reserve your slice of coastal perfection.